Dear children, people around us do many kinds of work to earn money. Any work which helps a person earn money is called an occupation. In this chapter, we will learn about the kinds of occupation taken up by the people according to their skills. Your parents take care of your needs. They get you food to eat, clothes to wear, shelter to live in, good schooling for education, etc. For this, they earn money. Where does this money come from? For this, your parents work hard. Any work which helps a person earn money is called an occupation. People take up an occupation according to their skills. People work as farmers, carpenters, cobblers, tailors, fruit and vegetable sellers, businessmen, doctors, nurses, and teachers. Some people work in banks and offices also. So people do different kinds of work and help each other. People at work. Kalu is a potter. He lives in a small village. He makes beautiful clay pots on a potter's wheel. He learned the skill of making pots from his father. Kalu's wife paints the pots and makes beautiful designs on them. Shahid is a tailor. He stitches clothes. He uses a sewing machine to do his work. He learned stitching from his father. His daughter also has interest in stitching. She suggests different designs for clothes. She goes to a vocational college to learn dressmaking. Gulshan, a cobbler, belongs to Patna. He has come here to earn a living. He learned the skill of making shoes from his uncle. He mends and polishes shoes. George is a mechanic. He repairs cars. He works in a service station of Maruti cars. His brother, Jackson, is a bus driver. He learned driving from a driving school. He is very responsible driver and follows the traffic rules strictly. Chunni Lal is a sweet monger. He runs his mithai shop. He knows to make many kinds of sweets. He learnt this skill from his mother and grandmother. Now, many people work under him and make sweets according to his instructions. People love to buy sweets from his shop. Sakshi is a doctor. She works in a government hospital. She was a bright student, and so her father advised her to study medicine. She worked hard and fulfilled her father's dream. Kavita is a nurse. She takes care of the patients and gives them medicines. Nikhil is a civil engineer. He supervises building of bridges and flyovers. Many people work with him. After school, he joined in an engineering college to learn this work. Sharing work at home. We share work at home. Usually, Mother cooks food. Father helps in bringing household things. Children help their parents in simple tasks. Let us see what is going on in Rahul's house now. Today, Mother is unwell. She has fever. She is worried how Rahul and Rinki will go to school. Father said, "Don't worry, we shall manage everything." Father went to get milk and Rahul watered the plants. Rinki organized the house. Then both Rahul and Rinki got ready for school. Father quickly toasted some slices of bread. Rahul and Rinki applied butter and jam on them and they had their breakfast. Then Father packed their tiffins. Then Rahul and Rinki went off to school. Father took a short leave from office and took Mother to the doctor. Father bought medicines prescribed by the doctor. He dropped Mother at home. He gave medicines to Mother and told her to take complete rest. Then he hastened to his office. We all need to work at home. We share the work at home so that no member of the family is overburdened. Helping others by sharing work is a nice way to show one's concern for others. Gender and work. In earlier times, men went out to work to earn a living. Women, even the educated ones, stayed at home for household work. However, things have changed in course of time. Now, we see men and women both working as scientists, engineers, architects, and pilots. We can now see women as cab drivers, bus conductors, etc. Women even work in the police force, army, and politics. Who does what? Write M against the work done generally by man and W against the work done generally by women and B against the work done by both.